How to enable auto scroll in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable auto scroll in Instagram. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the Reels tab, which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the Reels section, just tap on the three dot icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, from the pop-up menu, you'll see the option labeled as auto scroll. So simply toggle on this option. And now here, once you toggle on this option, the Reels will scroll automatically once the video finishes. And that's it. That's how you can enable auto scroll on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.